Hey everyone! Tonight Ellie and I are going to be making pizza!
Pizza! No, pizza is.
So what you're going to need to start with is your active dry yeast. You're going to need a cup and a half of hot water. And we've already let our yeast activate, so we are about to make our make the dough. So we have two types of olive oil. We have tomato, garlic, oregano infused olive oil. So we're gonna put that in, and we're gonna put our flour and salt in and mix it together. And it already has the sugar, water, and yeast mix that like our other recipe we did last week on yeast rolls. So our mix is already in. Now we're going to add our olive oil and then our flour. So here we go.
So here we go.
Okay.
Okay. Go near.
All right. So let's do this. 1,
2,
and 2. You can do either a garlic infused or I'm doing the tomato, garlic, oregano infused one because I like that one better. It's okay. Okay. All right, let's add our flour in.
Flour in.
Yes. Ooh.
And mixture.
All right, let's add the flour. Alright, we have our flour in, and now we're going to mix it up. We will be back in a few minutes after we mix it up. Alright, so Ellie and I are back. We just let our KitchenAid do the work for about 5 minutes with the dough hook, and now we are going to let this dough rest for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna let it rest for 30 minutes and then we will be right back. And I got my trusty kitchen towel like I did last time. Ooh, Ellie. Okay, get up. So we're gonna let it rest. Okay, guys, we are back. Say hello. And our dough has doubled in size. So now we're gonna put it out on a floured surface. And we're gonna make some pizza balls. Or some pizza. Well, we're gonna make the balls first, I should say. We're gonna make the balls first, and then we'll make.
Oh, glitters! Flowers!
Whoop. Your dough should be pretty sticky, which is fine. Should be fine. Flour.
Flowers.
Sure. Woo. Guys, we are back and we have our stone. We pulled it out of the oven to put it on it to make it way easier to transfer. It's 400 degrees, so this one you need adult supervision with and you need to be very careful. I always have a trusty ladle for when I do my pizza sauce. I always do just 1 scoop usually. So you do 1 scoop in the middle. And I used to make pizzas at a restaurant and you just
With sparklies.
go around your crust. And if you want a little bit more, just do a little bit more. I'm gonna do just a little bit more of mine.
Mommy, you're doing
I am putting our pizza sauce on the pizza.
cheese.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cheese.
All right, and now Ellie's gonna put the cheese on the pizza. Now that the sauce is done, we're gonna put the cheese on our pizza.
I like cheese in
Cheese on the pizza.
Look.
Be careful. Cheese on. Cheese on.
There.
Cheese. Lots of cheese. And I usually do a whole block. I grade my own cheese. I don't like using already shredded cheese because of the additives. So we do our own cheese, shredded ourselves, which we already did.
It's so good.
It is good. Keep putting cheese on.
Cheese on.
Cheese on the pizza. So I add a whole thing of cheese to my pizzas usually, and then just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Here, you add the last bit. Here. There you go. Good job. Spread it out a little bit more.
Some more.
Okay. And now I'm gonna go over it with the Parmesan.
So good. It's delicious, Mommy.
And I always make my tomato sauces homemade. I do just a regular can of tomato sauce with nothing in it. Then I add my oregano, parsley, garlic, basil, whatever seasoning you like in your sauce. You can taste it, see if you like. Try different things. That's what I always do.
It's so good.
It's so good, huh? Yeah. So that's good. Now we're gonna add our sausage. Stop eating the cheese off the pizza. Now she's gonna add the sausage. Sprinkle it. Really? You're gonna eat it?
So good.
We're gonna do half pizza with sausage and pepperoni for Daddy. Ellie, put it on pizza, baby.
So good.
It is so good, it is. We like our pork sausage, but you can do Italian sausage. I think Italian sausage is just as good. Okay, and now we got that. And we're going to add our pepperoni.
Where's piece sticking?
This is pepperoni.
That.
Pepperoni. Here, put them on. Put them on. Put them on. Put them on. Good job. Put them on the pizza. All over that pizza. Everywhere. Like this. A little more spread out.
I'm so hungry.
Here, you one.
Huh? So good.
Mm-hmm. All right, you want to put some more pepperoni on the pizza?
Pizza?
Okay. Put your pepperoni on pizza.
Wish.
Yep.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay, our pizza is ready for the oven. Hey guys, so cook it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes and then enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed our recipe for today and have a good one. Thanks.